Welcome to my detailed review of Lemlist, the email marketing and outreach platform designed for personalized cold emails. In today's video, I'll walk you through the website's features, how easy it is to use, and what it's really like from a user's perspective. If you're looking to improve your cold emailing strategy, or if you've heard of Lemlist and are curious to see if it's the right fit for you, this video will give you the full picture. Once you land on Lemlist's homepage, you're greeted with a clean and straightforward interface. It's clear from the start that the platform focuses on making cold outreach both personal and efficient. Lemlist's main selling point is its ability to create highly personalized emails at scale, which can be a game changer for businesses looking to connect with prospects in a more human way. The dashboard is intuitive, with a clear flow for creating campaigns and tracking their success. The process of setting up an email campaign on Lemlist is smooth. You start by importing your contacts, creating custom email templates, and then adding personalized elements such as the recipient's name or company. What stands out here is the level of detail you can go into with personalization, which can drastically improve response rates. There are also features for scheduling emails, automating follow-ups, and tracking engagement metrics, so you can continuously improve your outreach. One thing that I really appreciate about Lemlist is its integration capabilities. The platform connects easily with tools like Zapier, Pipedrive, and Google Sheets, making it a versatile choice for businesses that already use those platforms. Additionally, Lemlist provides robust reporting tools that allow you to analyze your campaigns in real time. You can track opens, clicks, replies, and even bounce rates, all from the dashboard. This makes optimizing your outreach efforts much easier. In terms of pricing, Lemlist offers a few different tiers depending on your needs, with a free trial available to test out the platform before committing. It's a bit on the pricier side compared to some alternatives, but the advanced features and personalization options may make it worth the investment for businesses serious about cold email marketing. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. These links are designed to help you expand your knowledge of email marketing, learn about other outreach tools, and improve your campaigns even further. Be sure to check them out after watching this video. Overall, I've had a positive experience with Lemlist. It's a feature-rich platform that offers a lot of value for those looking to ramp up their cold email outreach efforts. The user interface is intuitive, the personalization options are fantastic, and the analytics features are top-notch. If you're in the market for an email outreach tool, Lemlist is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth reviews like this one. Let me know your thoughts on Lemlist in the comments below, and if you've used the platform before, share your experience with the community.